Komodo National Park. Located in the center of the Indonesian archipelago, between the islands of Sumbawa and Flores, is composed of three major islands: Ringka, Komodo, and Padar, and numerous smaller ones. All of them of volcanic origin. Located at the juncture of two continental plates. This national park constitutes the Shattered Belt, within the Wallacea biogeographical region, between the Australian and Sunda ecosystems. The property is identified as a global conservation priority area, comprising unparalleled terrestrial and marine ecosystems and covers an area of 219,322 hectares. The dry climate has triggered specific evolutionary adaptation within the terrestrial flora that range from open grass woodland savanna to tropical deciduous monsoon forest and quasi-cloud forest. The rugged hillsides and dry vegetation highly contrast with the sandy beaches and the blue coral-rich waters. The most remarkable inhabitant of Komodo National Park is the Komodo lizard, Varanus komodensis. These giant lizards, existing nowhere else in the world, are of great scientific interest, especially for their evolutionary implications. Most commonly known as Komodo dragons, due to its appearance and aggressive behavior, the Komodo lizard is the largest living species of lizard, growing to an average length of 2 to 3 meters. The species is the last representative of a relic population of large lizards that once lived across Indonesia and Australia. As well as being home to the Komodo dragon, the P provides a refuge for many other notable terrestrial species such as the orange-footed korub.